installation. Installation method. Transmitter installation. Transmitter wiring. Open the transmitter's top cover. Refer to the wiring diagram in the manual for wiring. Loosen all the relevant screws. Route the upstream and downstream transducer cables through waterproof cable glands and connect them to the transmitter. Route the power cable through the glands. For specific wiring instructions, refer to the diagram below. Transmitter wiring is now complete. Close the transmitter's cover. Tighten the screws. Query or measure pipeline parameters. Menu settings. Enter pipe outer diameter in Windows M11. Enter pipe wall thickness in Windows M12. Select pipe material in Windows M14. Select the transducer type in Windows M23. Select transducer mounting method in Windows M24. The transducer mounting spacing is auto-calculated and shown in Windows M25. Determine the installation point. Method installation. Confirm the direction of fluid flow. Manually select upstream mounting point A. According to the mounting spacing in Windows M25, move downstream from point A by that spacing to get mounting point B. Point A is the upstream transducer mounting point. Point B is the downstream transducer mounting point. Install the sensor. V method installation. Grind off the rust, paint, and anti-corrosion coating on the pipes. Surface at transducer mounting positions until bare metal is exposed. Then evenly apply the supplied coupling compound to the emitting face of each transducer. Place the transducers on the treated pipe surface. Fasten the upstream transducer with pipe straps. Fasten the downstream transducer in the same way. V-type transducer installation is now complete. Z method installation. Check the installation spacing. Select the mounting method in Windows M24. The transducer mounting spacing is auto-calculated and shown in Windows M25. Determine the installation point. Z method installation. Confirm the direction of fluid flow. Manually select upstream mounting point A. According to the mounting spacing in Windows M25, wrap a sheet of fax paper around the pipe once. Cut off the excess parts. Fold the fax paper in half. Align the folding line with the ABS line at the circumferential midpoint on the opposite side of the pipe. Mark auxiliary point D, then mark auxiliary point C. Install the sensor. Z method installation. Determine the grinding area for transducer installation. Apply the coupling agent evenly. Place the transducers on a treated pipe surface. Fasten the upstream transducer with pipe straps. Install the downstream sensors as well. The installation is complete. Installation inspection. Check the instrument. The data is normal.